I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows 10 build and drivers, plus an active mobile data plan on your phone or USB modem. Once done, open Settings, then Network and Internet. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If you plan to share via Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth now. You do this so Windows can create and broadcast a hotspot network. Next, click Mobile Hotspot in the left menu to begin the hotspot configuration process. This is where you set the network name. You now configure the hotspot. Under Share My Internet Connection, choose the source, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, because that determines where traffic comes from. Then edit network name and password. Pick a clear SSID and a strong password to prevent unauthorized use. Once set, toggle Mobile Hotspot on. Make sure the listed connected devices count updates because that confirms broadcasting. If you want limited sharing, click Change and set a simpler password or restrict to specific adapters. Finally, connect your PC or other devices using the new credentials. You finish by connecting your phone, tablet, or laptop to the new hotspot SSID with the password you created. Verify internet access by loading a web page. Make sure to turn the hotspot off when finished to save battery and data. If something goes wrong, run the built-in network troubleshooter and update Wi-Fi or mobile broadband drivers. These steps fix most issues. If sharing from a phone, confirm tethering is allowed by your carrier. Lastly, reboot the host PC if the hotspot still won't appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.